Hi, I'm Wes, and this is Wizardry. I'd like to invite you along to watch this video of painting a bone devil by WizKids in lieu of blank air while we're waiting for the diorama that I'm working on at the time to come to full video. So without further ado, let's get on with the Nightmare Landscapes paints and the WizKids Bone Devil. So here's the trio I started with, and as I said, I thinned them with Nightmare Landscapes black wash, and they seem to have a contrast or speed paint finish to them when I was done. I was very pleased with the result. I wanted shadows of dark coagulated blood, and this gave me what I asked for. With that accomplished, I thinned down light flesh tone with white to start picking out the bones and skin. I was unsure how dark I wanted the skin and how light I wanted the bone. There are several interpretations on what a bone devil looks like, and I wanted the wizardry version somewhere in the middle. After picking out the skin and bone from the musculature, I started adding yellow and a yellow-brown mix to the bones and to the skin, trying out the different colors in the different areas to see what feel I was going to go for. So a decision had been made. I decided to darken down the bones and slowly glaze them back. I started with this trio, and I would work my way from the brown through yellow to white as my upper highlight. As I painted this bone devil, I could not stop myself from daydreaming of Idols of Torment. I have the game ordered, and the minis are now available to print, but I have no 3D printer, so I will wait. But this paint scheme had me drooling for the unspeakable horrors lurking in the echo. Though it got in the way a few times, I do like the scorpion tail on this bad boy. It kind of gives it that xenomorph feel, and who doesn't love xenomorphs? As you can see, I started glazing yellow over the yellow-brown that I had laid down on the bone earlier. While I was glazing the bone from brown to white, I was moving in the opposite direction as I yellowed and tanned the skin. Using the same color mixes only in opposite directions kept my color palette uniform and cohesive, making only small changes in color or shade versus highlights to shadow. It was time to think about punching up the gore a bit, and this mix was going to do the trick just fine. One mix was a darker red, thinned with wash, the other brighter and left thick, to give me a couple options on appearance. It was time to give the skin some more work. Too white and it would look zombie, I felt. I wanted skin that may have a little zip left in it yet. Rotted, but not lifeless. The bones also needed some work. They needed to be greasy, like fat, sinew, and flesh still clung to it, not a washed out bleach of clean bones. That said, I did go a pretty bright white highlight on the top ends of the bones just to be able to distinguish them from the flaps of skin that hung here and there over the muscles. It seemed to me that from a few feet away, it gave a better overall appearance and just kind of made it pop more. Another darkening down of the musculature and the deep recesses to add some more depth to the gore. I did one last run through with a variety of washes. I did the gore wash for all the bloody areas, a brown wash on the skin, and a black wash in the deep recesses. And with a little last-minute dry brush highlighting and some makeup, this WizKids Bone Devil is done. Well, he needs a base, maybe in another video. It was fun paint, and hopefully it would help pass the time until my next diorama is done. As always, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, it helps so much. I'm Wes, and this is Wizardry.